And Governor Gavin Newsom just signed several new bills aimed at supporting small businesses struggling with the impact of COVID-19. But will this new support and relief make enough of a difference to keep businesses afloat?
Attorney Angela Reddock-Wright joins us now to discuss this and other legal issues. Angela, the new laws passed by the governor, how much of a difference can it really make for small businesses right now?
Well, we know small businesses are struggling for sure, but these, at least two new bills, are designed to really help small businesses. One is called AB 1577, and this allows small business to exclude from their state income tax, the filing of their state income tax, the dollars that they receive from the Paycheck Protection Loan Program offered by the federal government. So many businesses receive from thousands of dollars upwards to millions of dollars. So they don't have to count those funds received as a part of gross income for their state income tax purposes. So that is huge. And additionally, in order to stir businesses to start to hire again and to feel confident in hiring again, the state is offering through a Senate Bill 1447 a tax credit for businesses that hire employees up to $1,000 per employee. So those two bills alone will hopefully go a long way to encouraging small businesses to get back to business and to stay encouraged during this time.
And Angela, what, if any, are the complications for small businesses in bringing these employees back, some that have been furloughed, others laid off?
Well, it's twofold. One, businesses have to consider the safety considerations and whether they have taken all the steps advised by the CDC and their county and local health offices to prepare to bring employees back to work. And then secondly, many businesses have been so impacted by this is that they're not sure they have work to bring employees back to. So they have to evaluate their bottom line. They have to evaluate their customer base and their consumer base to see if there's actual work to bring folks back to. And in making those considerations and making those determinations, they have to consider the laws that govern how to bring employees back to work. If employees have been furloughed, what does it look like to bring those employees back to work? If employees have been laid off, if employees have been off on paid sick leave or other types of leaves. So really businesses, as they are looking at these different options and bringing employees back to work, they really should consult with human resources and legal professionals to determine what their obligations are.
And Angela, a lot of kids still out of school, parents trying to work and also raise their kids. What rights or do parents have any protection from employers when it comes to dealing with their children who are home?
Well, unfortunately, among all the new laws that we have, there really haven't been any new laws outside of the initial laws that we saw with the Federal Family Coronavirus Act. There haven't really been any new laws that kind of address this really sensitive situation of I'm a working parent, but I have kids going to school at the same time. So the laws that are currently on the books are the ones dealing with paid family leave, disability, leave, workers' compensation. So certainly working parents should look at those options to see if they apply to them. And then in California, for example, the governor has issued, and school districts throughout the state have issued what they call their playbook for parents. And so it tells parents what resources are available to them through childcare and through other options to support them through this very tough time. But my biggest advice is working parents should really just speak to their human resources professionals, speak to their companies, and really try to figure out what is the best way for them to navigate helping their children during school while also still being a good and productive employee.
Attorney Angela Reddock-Wright, thank you so much for breaking this complicated matter down for us and for your advice. We appreciate it.
Yeah, a lot to talk to.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, Angela.